Today we are here to learn the months of the year in Sinhala by language arts with VM. January is Janawari. January is Janawari. February is February. February is February. March is Martu. March is Martu. April is April. April is April. May is May. May is May. June is June. June is June. July is July. July is July. August is Agosto. August is Agosto. September is September. September is September. October is October. October is October. November is November. November is November. December is December. December is December. Let's recap. January is January. February is February. March is Martu. April is April. May is May. June is June. July is July. August is Agosto. September is September. October is October. November is November. December is December. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, and share this among your friends if you think it's useful. And please comment about this video. Bye. See you in our next video.